I'm Shane Fitzpatrick. I'm our head of global e-commerce business unit at First Data, and it's a real pleasure for us to be here at Seamless in Asia, which is a real flagship event for First Data to attend and communicate with our customers and frankly educate ourselves as well for what's happening in the region. So it's a pleasure to be here. You know, it's First Data, when we look at global e-commerce and global commerce generally, really what we're doing is we're reverse engineering from lifestyles. You know, there's about 3.9 billion people on the planet today connected to the internet. And of that community, there's about 76% of people that are mobile enabled. And the Asia Pacific region, frankly, is leading the world in mobile commerce. So at First Data, we in the first instance look at how people are living, how people are communicating, how people are trading, how people want to trade. And then it's our job at First Data to bring solutions to the marketplace to champion that single experience. So that's what we see. We reverse engineering from lifestyles and provide business solutions to enable trade and commerce around the world. It's a very large organization, First Data. We've got about 25,000 owner associates in the company worldwide, and at different times of the year that can get to about 30,000 people. We also power 4,000 plus financial institutions and banks around the world from a commerce point of view. And traditionally, we've grown our business around the point of sale genre, if you will, for commerce. But over the last 10 years, as we've all witnessed, lifestyles have become more digital, trade has become more digital. The iPhone was only launched in 2007 in July, so we're not even 10 years into the iPhone. So what First Data has managed to do during that 10-year period is to reconcile a single simple experience with the complex environment, I suppose, where people are trading around the world. So we got regulatory contexts. We're operating for customers in over 118 countries around the world today. So through a single solution, we can contract with clients, give a single technology experience and access to the market all over the world in a very seamless, simple way. And we power that on our global gateway, our global technology at First Data. Well, really, we think about it. It's important for merchants because it's about promoting trade. I keep going back to that point all the time. It's about promoting trade and commerce, and how we're living today. Most of the digital natives, my children who are in their early teens and early 20s, they're constantly connected to a mobile device, to multiple different devices. So it's about connected lifestyles. So what we have to do at First Data, and in fact I'm really proud to launch at Seamless our global PFAC solution this year. So what that's essentially allowing merchants to do is through a community and a digital marketplace and enable trade from person to person, business to person, all powered on the First Data technology with global access, global acquiring through a seamless single integration. So it's building and developing these technologies and capabilities to allow immediate connected trade and commerce and lifestyle experiences, and reconciling that to the labyrinth of compliance and regulation right around the world in a secure and safe environment. So the firm is processing over $2 trillion of merchant revenue today around the world, and to do that in an environment that requires significant investment for data protection, governance, security and maintenance. It's a very detailed technical environment, but what we've managed to do in First Data is crack the nut. So the power of one firm, one solution, one global access with First Data, and our PFAC solution is a big announcement for us here at this event. Well, we love the show. I mean, we're great partners of Seamless here in Asia. It's a great opportunity for us to meet with customers, meet with new prospects and clients, but quite frankly, above all, for education. To see what's happening in the region, to see what's happening in the industry, and to listen, to understand how lifestyles are changing. It's different in different parts of the world. So to understand that, so that we can take that input back to the laboratory and in our research and development lab to develop an industry architect new solutions to power new lifestyles around the world. So we're real supporters of Seamless, and we're very proud to be here as a sponsor for the event again. It's a pleasure. Thank you very much. Have a great conference.